Hey, what is up guys? I'm back with another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys how to use your iPhone as a webcam. Now, I've done many videos on how to use devices as webcams in the past. I've done the camera that I'm recording with right now, which is the Canon EOS Rebel SL3, and then I did the GoPro Hero 8, and I was like, these videos seem to be pretty helpful for you guys, and I figured out a way on how to do it with your iPhone. There's actually two softwares you can use. There's one called I think it's Epoch Cam or Epic Cam or something like that. And then there's something called Ivy Cam. Now, the Epoch Cam allows you to do it on Windows and Mac. The Ivy Cam that I'm going to show you in this video, you can only do on Windows, which for me, I'm on Windows. But if you need a video later on about like Epoch Cam and how to do it, I'll show you guys that. But these softwares are free to use and to try. And I'm using the free version here. But you can pay, I think they're both $10 for the full version. But first off, you're going to want to go to your iPhone. And okay, so first off, go on your phone and go to the App Store and type in iVcam. And after you do that, it should be the first thing up there. And it's called iVcam Webcam. As you can see, I already have it open and everything, so just go, or already have it installed, so just go ahead and open it. And after you open it, it's going to tell you it requires a Wi-Fi or USB connection to your PC. So what you're going to want to do after that is go to your PC and go on Google and go to this link. Actually, go to this link in the description of the video, and I'll have it linked in the video. And then you go down to download for Windows, and then it'll download. It should just take a second to download. And after you download it, it should pop up down here in the bottom of the screen. Let me close some of this stuff out. It should pop up down here if you have it set to show up on your desktop. And then you're going to want to open iVcam. And I'm going to actually set up my phone now. And I have the iPhone XS Max. So it's like it's the 10X or 10S Max. And you're going to want to get your USB cable, plug it into your computer, and then plug the other end of your charger cable to your phone. And then when you plug it in, it should pop up. See, now it's connected, and you guys can see me. What you're going to want to do to start off with is go back on your phone. Now, there's going to be ads on this, but go back on your phone, go into your video settings, and then change it. For me, I put it on 1080p 60 frames per second in high quality. And it starts off in like 60 frames or something like that. So it's right here, and as you can see, it's the free version, so it says iVcam on it and everything. But you can close out of this and you go into softwares like I use Bandicam to record. You can do it in Bandicam. I've already tried it in Bandicam, but I'll show you guys because I know most people use OBS. You can do it in OBS. See, I have it right here showed up in OBS, and I don't know what the difference between the free version and the full version is, other than the watermark at the top that says iVcam. But you could technically, like, I don't know, you could technically go like this and move your phone up a little bit and like crop it if you wanted to. And then the word iVcam won't even be in it. And yeah, you can record. See, I'm showing it in OBS right here. And there's no delay either, which is pretty cool. I don't have my mic opened up on my phone. So, because for me, that's one of the issues, was that they say that you have to use your iPhone microphone and the quality is kind of bad. But the thing is, I have my Blue Yeti, so I was going to use that anyways. So if you guys want to do this, I mean, you can just use your normal microphone for your setup, and then just have your phone set up and sync up the audio, and boom, you got good audio. And you actually have a pretty good picture quality. It doesn't look good right now because my room lighting is awful, so I do apologize. But I can try to set this up. This is a GoPro light that I use, and as you can see, okay, that's kind of bright, but it doesn't look bad. The iPhone has a good camera quality. If you look at some of my other videos with me and my girlfriend, actually my last video was a video of me and my girlfriend vlogging, and we were using her iPhone, which she has the 11, but they both record about the same, especially in daylight whenever it's like really good quality. It looks really good. So, and you can record up to 4K in iPhones now, and probably even higher than that. I don't know what the 12 is about, but I mean, it's actually not bad quality, and this would be a good quality webcam to use. And if you know what you're doing, you can go into the settings on like Epoch Cam and it lets you adjust like the exposure in iOS and everything, which apparently it's all the way up for me right now, and I can tell because it's a little too bright. But you can turn that down and get the picture looking better. But I do hope this video helped you guys. If you want one on the other software, the Webcam software, let me know and I'll make that. If it is helpful, comment, and if you have any questions, let me know in the comments too. And I do hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys next time.